everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Famous Friday. Today's hairstyle I chose is Madelaine Petsch. So it's very simple. I already did a fishtail video, but it was more like a tutorial. So today I'm just going to copy her hairstyle and let's see how it is. So it looks like her hair is parted on the other side, so I'm just gonna copy it. I've never parted my hair here before, so it looks a little odd to me. It's more like a messy look. Don't forget to brush your hair all the time. I'm going to put this oil, Olaplex number 7. I like putting it on the ends of my hair. Her hair looks really frizzy in the photo. It was probably really hot that day. I don't know what they did in the back, but this is pretty much what I'm gonna do. So I have layers, and I'm just gonna start off by doing it this way, taking half of my hair, and I'm gonna start doing the fishtail braid. I'm just gonna grab hair and add it on to the fishtail braid. Did I miss hair? No, I didn't. So it looks like the braid just stopped right about here. So I'll just get your little hair tie or elastic band and done. So kind of messed this part up. My hair is so thick, so I'm just gonna tuck in some pieces just to avoid that. So if you want to learn how to do a fishtail braid, I made a video about it previously a few videos ago, so go check it out if you want to learn how to do this. And it's coming apart a little bit, but it kind of looks like it. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna try again. I'm just going to fix it again just because my layers are sticking out. So I'll do that again. I'll just take half. There, this is a little bit better than the first time. So I'm just gonna loosen it up just a little bit just to make it look thicker or even more thicker. Okay, this worked. All right, and then like her hair is a little bit frizzy, so I'm just gonna go like this. Even though I don't have to, but I'll just make it look a little bit frizzy. Just tease it a little bit with my hands. And I have this layer. So there it is. It's loud. Okay, it's gone. Nope, not gone yet. Okay. So there it is. I copied Madelaine's hair It's pretty easy. Let me know if you guys saw any other hairstyles from another celebrity. DM me on my Instagram, MitchLopezXO, and then that way I can try it out and you guys can see how well I do. So this is it. Very easy, simple. You can wear this anywhere. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anyone. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.